Morning, y'all. We're back. Talked to the owner of the part here last night, and he said to go ahead and do whatever I feel necessary. I mean, he doesn't have an issue with money, so to do it right, go ahead and do it. So that's what we're gonna do. I get out here and got started. Just needing to remove that other brake duct. That one here was still glued in pretty good. We're gonna have to replace this stuff. I'll call him and ask him if he wants me to replace it or if he wants to replace it himself. But that one here is still glued in pretty good. I got the scraper out. We're going to end up removing all that old fiberglass that's in there. You see that light colored stuff. That's a great big air void. It's not stuck to anything. So we'll end up probably peeling all that out of there as best we can. Removing that little brake duct and getting down to carving out the bad stuff, and then we'll bring you some of how we're going to actually rebuild that that bit here. How we're going to raise this back up. How we're going to raise this back up on both sides, and then maybe be able to box it in and do a little cheating in the process, because we don't want to. If we have to do any body working on the outside of it, right, we're going to have to do a little bit. If we have to add some height to here, we're going to have to body work it a little bit and then maybe spray a little black spray bomb on it. Now, granted, it's right down on the ground, so it's not going to be a very visible area, but still, we want to do a good job. So I'm going to show you how to do body work on this Class A surface, the outside, without actually having to sand on it and prep it and stuff. We're gonna cheat the system a little bit. That's what you got to do sometimes, right? When we don't want to. We don't want to be repainting this thing. So there you go. I'll get to getting this stuff fixed up, and as we go, I'll bring you some more. God bless.